Here I've got OUKITEL WP2, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at first you have to open your browser, then click on the More icon, which is 3 dots 1 in the right upper corner, select History, and now go to Clear Browsing Data. Here it is. And now you can select some from Basic and Advanced options. So in Basic you will find Browsing History, Cookies and Site Data, Cached Images and Files, and in Advanced you can also find Saved Passwords, Autofill from Data, and Site Settings. So just mark all the functions that you would like to get rid of, and finally select the time range. Click here and you can pick either last hour, last 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. And the last option is the one that I would choose because I would like to fully clear browsing history. Then tap on Clear Data. And that's it. As you can see, data has been cleared, and now you can create the history and all the settings from the beginning. So that would be all. This is how you can clear browsing data. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.